I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. This week's Stitch of the Week is the Sedge Stitch, S-E-D-G-E, Sedge. And it's kind of a really unique looking stitch and it creates a really thick fabric. So I think this would really be good for like scarves or blankets. And for today's tutorial we are going to be using Premier Basics number 4 worsted weight yarn, and this is in the color Sage, and I am using a 5mm hook for today's tutorial. So let me go ahead and zoom back out a little bit. And so this pattern starts off a little different. My yarn's kind of twisted here. It works in a sequence of 3s. So we're going to make a chain with a multiple of 3 plus 1 plus 2. Now the plus 2 at the end is going to serve as a single crochet. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start with a chain of 18. So that would be 15 plus 1 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, and look, I have a little knot. Let me go ahead and get that right out of there right quick. Okay. Get in there. All right, so now we are going to skip 2 chains from the hook, so 1, 2, and in this third chain we are going to half double crochet and double crochet in the same chain. So half double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, grab your yarn and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. And then a double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull through your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's a double. Okay, so that was a half double crochet and a double crochet in that next stitch. So now we are going to skip 2 stitches, and in this third stitch we are going to single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all in this chain. So a single is just insert your hook, pull through the yarn, and then grab your yarn and pull through the both loops. And then a half double crochet and a double crochet all in the same stitch. We're going to do the same thing and skip 2 chains and single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet all in the same stitch. Skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Oop. Now you should have 3 chains left. You're going to skip 2 and just single crochet in that last stitch. You're going to chain 1 and turn. Now in this very first stitch we're going to start with a single crochet and then proceed with your half double and double crochet right in that same stitch. You are going to skip this double crochet and skip this half double crochet and go right into this single crochet. So if you look at the top, you can see the top V for your double crochet, and then the next is your half double crochet, and then this next one here is your single. So you want to go into this one here, and we're going to do like we have been with a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Okay, skip the next double crochet, skip the half double crochet, and go into the single crochet and crochet a single crochet, a half double, and a double, all in that same stitch, and then repeat. Go into the single crochet and crochet your single, half double, and double crochet, all in that single crochet stitch. And then one more time in that single crochet stitch, you're going to single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in that same stitch. Then you're going to skip this next double crochet, skip the half double crochet, and then in this last chain one space right here, you are going to try to get your yarn under both loops of that chain. It can be tricky. And single crochet. Now you're going to chain one. Oh, that's lovely. I pulled out some more yarn and I got this lovely yarn barth, but that's okay. We will deal. So we chained one. Now we are going to turn, and you're going to do that same thing with this very first stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, all in this very first stitch. So that's a single and a half and a double. Skip this double crochet, skip the half double crochet, and go into the single crochet and do the same thing with a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in that same stitch. Skip two, go into the single crochet, and then single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And that's all we are doing for the remainder of this entire pattern of whatever that you are crocheting. It's just a mindless crochet now, because you're just gonna do this continuous row repeat. And just remember, when you get to the end, that you single crochet in that chain one, and then you chain one, and you would continue. Please throw a comment in below and let me know if you have crocheted this stitch before. And that is this week's Stitch of the Week. Until next time, bye!